Have you ever been frustrated by a broken connection? In a world that is more connected than ever, we still face issues with signal loss, latency, and data insecurity. Introducing the Echolink, a communication device that doesn't rely on radio waves, but on a quantum-level connection. The Echolink utilizes a principle known as quantum entanglement, allowing data to be transmitted from one point to another instantly, regardless of the distance.
Welcome to Echolink, where quantum entanglement allows for instantaneous communication, no matter the distance.
Imagine a world of borderless communication. You can talk to your loved ones without any lag, or even transfer massive amounts of data
Hey,
in
Dad.
a blink of an eye.
Hi, honey.
How are you doing today?
We miss you so much.
I'm doing great.
This is just one of many unseen inventions, but in no time, innovations like this could change our world forever.